If you are an influencer or someone who wants to change the world to better, you want your voice to be heard, among other things. One option is using social media. But now, if you have one message to post, you have to go to one social media platform, then to the other, then to the other, and post exactly the same message to reach a lot of people. This is quite annoying. And I was thinking that maybe there's a better option. Maybe I can write something, a code, that would do exactly the same thing. So I have one message, and this message is then uploaded across multiple platforms. I would like to give you a short demonstration. So let's Bismillah into my code. There are 3 steps that we have to undergo. The first one is define the platforms on which we want to post. The next would be the message itself. And then the third one is, do we want to include images? If yes, which one? If not, then deactivate those. Now, let me give you a live demonstration. The first step was to choose the platforms. I have 7 included at the moment, which is Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Mastodon, YouTube, Instagram, and Blue Sky. After choosing the platforms, the message, which is, it is said that Germany has a terrible past. I was not there, and I do not want to judge it. I'm here in 2024, and the German government is actually involved in brutally killing, bombing people in Gaza. I judge the German politicians for that. Shame on those who are killing innocent people. Do not think that these deeds are unrecorded. Sooner or later, every corrupt person will see what he has collected for himself. By the way, when I say he has collected for himself, females are included. Good. The next thing is the image. I have chosen 2 images. And then, Bismillah, let's run it. What? Okay, the image does not exist. Not that good, just a few seconds. So sorry, I forgot to add an E here, and now inshallah should work. Also the comma was forgotten, but let's try it out. Yeah, good. So it's running. Great, it finished. Now let me give you 2 illustrative examples that it actually worked. But this, let me pull here my Blue Sky profile. And you see, okay, the post is here. It is stated that Germany has a terrible past, and the hashtag was found, as we can see here. And also because we have a limit of 300 characters, the message is split in 2 messages automatically. Now let me give you the other example. The platform that I like too is called Mastodon. And if we go, it's already here. So here's it. The 2 images, the hashtags, and the message itself. So, bye and assalamu alaikum.